So today we'll be discussing about PDF generator. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for the app marketplace here. Search for PDF. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on your specific location. You can choose multiple sub accounts. You can choose all of the sub accounts at the same time as well. Let's just install. Find for any specific location if you want. I'm choosing location 1 for the time being. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. Here we are. The next step will be moving forward towards the location level on which we have installed PDF generator for workflows. Here we are. As you can see, let's just choose the location one. It is loading at the moment. Yeah. So the next step will be to get it configured. To do that, so down below in the navigation bar, you can find for app configuration. To get it configured, you have to find for the API key, the consumer key, the consumer secrets, and use the base URL or the email. That is what just required. That is required here. Yeah, the API key, the API secret, and the workspace email on which you have made the account for the PDF generator. Now on Google, you have to sign up for your PDF generator account, and in the settings, you can find for the API key and API secrets. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are on the PDF generator API account. I have already set up the account, and down below in the settings, you can find for the settings in the navigation bar down below. And here are the API key, API secrets. You have to copy paste these things back towards on the platform and use the workspace email, and then it will be getting configured. Let's do it. After copy pasting all the stuff here, just submit. And the next step will be moving forward towards the automations and to create a workflow to check on the actions are working correctly or not. You can find for the automations in the navigation bar above that. Now we have to create a workflow and start from scratch. Here we are in the workflow builder. Let's just create a new action. These are the actions provided by PDF generator for workflows. You can use these actions into your workflows to create your own automations. You can generate document, delete, update, get, create template, delete workspace, get workspace, create workspace. Let's just create a workspace, name the identifier, save this action, and now we will be just testing our workflows to do that. So you can just pick any of your contacts. You can choose multiple contacts to just update that you have created this action. Run this test and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action is successfully executed now. It is as that simpler. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.